If you've ever stood in a store listening to "But I Need This," this video is for you. That moment isn't about bad behavior. It's about a skill that hasn't formed yet. Today, I'm going to show parents a simple, research-backed way to teach children the difference between needs and wants, without arguments, guilt, or constant no's. This is one of the most important money skills children can learn early, because it affects spending, saving, and decision-making for life. Throughout this video, I'll pause and tell you exactly how to explain these ideas at home, using everyday situations. Parents, here's the simplest definition you can use with your child. A need is something required for health, safety, or basic functioning, like food, water, shelter, clothing that fits, and medical care. A want is something that adds comfort, fun, or enjoyment, but life continues without it. What's important is not memorizing a list. It's helping children understand why something falls into one category or the other. Many disagreements happen because children confuse emotional desire with necessity. That's normal development, but it's also teachable. At this point, I recommend pausing the video and asking your child a question like this. If we don't buy this today, will we still be safe and okay? Let them answer. Don't correct immediately. Give them time. Count silently to 5 before responding. This builds reasoning, not obedience. Winter coat in cold weather. Extra toy when many toys already exist. Lunch food. Andy at checkout. Parents, you decide the pace. You can turn this into a short conversation, not a quiz. Here's a story you can share. A child has limited money and must choose between replacing worn-out shoes or buying a new toy. One choice affects health and comfort. The other affects entertainment. Parents, pause here and ask, which choice helps the body stay healthy and safe? This reinforces the idea that needs come first, not that wants are bad. Here's a strategy many parents find effective. It's called the wait-and-see rule. When your child wants something that isn't a need, ask them to wait 24 hours. If they still want it the next day, revisit the conversation. This teaches impulse control, an executive function skill linked to better financial outcomes later in life. Parents often notice that many wants disappear with time. Okay, parent. Here are 4 practical approaches parents use successfully. Strategy 1. Set expectations before shopping. Explain the purpose of the trip in advance. Predictability reduces conflict. Strategy 2. Use need or want. Language. This removes emotion and adds structure to the conversation. Strategy 3. Save for it lists. Keeping a written want list validates the request, while creating distinction between desire and spending. Strategy 4. Model decision-making. Children learn more from what we do than what we say. Okay, parent, I've created a free printable needs versus wants sorting activity that parents can use at home. You'll find the link in the description. This is designed as a family discussion tool, not screen time. These conversations don't build overnight, but they do build character. If this helped you approach money conversations more calmly at home, feel free to share your experience in the comments. Next week, we'll come up with another interesting topic and stories to help you parents. I'm Money Girl. Thanks for raising thoughtful and financially aware kids. See you next time.